In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move clips in CapCut PC. If you need to rearrange the order of your video steps or slide a graphic into place, this quick guide will help you move and reorder clips cleanly on your CapCut timeline so everything lands exactly where you want it. Before you start dragging anything around, make sure your cursor is set to the standard selection tool. On your keyboard, press V, or glance at the timeline toolbar to confirm the selection icon is active. With the selection tool on, you can confidently pick up, move, and stack any video, audio, or text track without accidentally trimming or cutting clips. This is the simplest way to keep your edits intentional and precise. To change the order of your footage on the main track, click and hold the video clip you want to move. Drag it left or right along the timeline, passing it over other clips until it reaches the position you prefer. As you move, notice how CapCut guides you with snapping behavior. When you release the mouse, the clips will automatically settle into their new order. This snap helps prevent empty gaps, keeping your sequence continuous and your timing clean. If you're aiming for a specific moment, line the edge of your clip with the playhead before you let go for a crisp, frame-accurate placement. Releasing the mouse confirms the move, and your timeline instantly updates with the new arrangement. If you want to layer a graphic, a title, or a secondary video over your main footage, click the clip and drag it vertically upward. The moment you pull it above the main track, CapCut creates a new track lane for you. Drop the clip there, and you now have a separate layer sitting over your primary video. This makes it easy to position overlays exactly where they should appear in time. Slide the layered clip left or right until it aligns to the precise second you need. Keeping overlays on their own lane also helps you see what's on top visually, so you always know which element is foreground and which is background. That's the core of it. With the selection tool active and simple drag and drop gestures, you have complete timeline arrangement control. Move clips left or right to reorder your story, or drag them upward to stack and layer. CapCut handles the snapping and lane creation for you, so your edits stay neat and your workflow stays fast. You're all set. Done.